Plano ISD is the premier district for families seeking real-world industry experiences for their students. We offer something for everyone. Academy High School is Plano ISD's innovative, project-based learning community, which encourages students to think creatively to solve real-world problems. The Health Sciences Academy provides a rigorous, hands-on learning environment designed to prepare students for medical school careers in healthcare upon graduation, offering on-the-job training with industry partners. The prestigious International Baccalaureate program in Plano ISD includes an IB World School, IB Middle Years program, and IB Primary Years program. This globally recognized rigorous program prepares students for a university setting by developing knowledgeable, caring, and critical thinking global citizens. Through Plano ISD's Wildcat Collegiate Academy, students can earn up to 62 college credits, or even earn an associate degree while in high school at no cost. Students enrolled in the state-of-the-art Electrical Engineering Academy gain early exposure to engineering concepts through hands-on learning. Plano ISD offers a wide array of career and technical education, including 32 programs in 13 career clusters, giving students the opportunity to earn industry certifications at no cost while graduating from high school. The new CTE Center, opening next fall, will be home to 19 CTE programs. Our high-achieving academies and robust career educational programming equip Plano ISD students with the experiences and skills to succeed in college or launch directly into the workforce after graduation. Great futures begin in Plano ISD. Space is limited. Secure your spot in Plano ISD at www.pisd.edu/enroll.